silent travelers. In moments, the sky will come alive with color as a variety of vibrant macaws join together, creating winged encounters. We encourage you to gather around our avian festival at the base of the tree of life for a unique journey of discovery, one that you can't see anywhere else except in the wild. Welcome to Winged Encounters.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. If you haven't noticed by now, we're just being joined by some amazing birds. So come on in. My name is Ray. I'm here with Zach, Lisa, and Robert out in the audience with all of you. Together, we make up Winged Encounters, and we are going to need a little bit of help. We are looking for 2 adult volunteers to help us out with our show today. Does anyone want to help us out? I saw your hand go way up. I've got a mission for you. You're going to find Robert back there. He's got those sticks. Go find him. And then you waving your hand with the sunglasses on your head. Yeah, that's you. Head on back to Robert as well. And everyone else, come on up. Fill in all this available space. Our birds are totally comfortable with a big audience, and you're going to want to be nice and close for the amazing photo opportunities that are getting ready to come. But does anyone know, to start us off, what kind of birds are these? Parrots. Great job. What's your name? Ella, you are awesome. Great job. They're parrots. If you're thinking macaw, you're also correct. So great job. A macaw is a type of parrot. We have a few different species up here. That's why you're seeing so many different beautiful colors. But I'm not surprised you knew what kind of birds these are. It's really not uncommon to see them in places like Animal Kingdom. Some people even keep them in their house as a pet. But these could actually be some of the most challenging pets you could ever have in your home. But we'll get into that in a second. Right now, our volunteers are holding Lilo and Stitch, 2 of our birds, pretty cute. And you guys are so lucky to be holding those 2 because they're the rarest species of macaw left in the wild today. So that's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I just recommend don't look up with your mouth open. You are in the splash zone, okay? But I'm not surprised you know what kind of birds these are because people do have them as pets and they can be really, really challenging. Can anyone guess what the #1 complaint is for having a pet parrot? What do you think? Poo! Yeah, that is one. They're very messy. They can go to the bathroom about every 20 minutes. But that definitely isn't the only way that they can make a mess. Their beaks are also really powerful, and they can chew through so many things. We've had guests come up and say their pet parrot has chewed holes in their drywall, chewed up their baseboards, their tables, their TV, you name it. Anything they own could become an expensive parrot toy. And a bird like this could live for 50, 60 years. That is a long commitment. And they're very noisy. What were you going to say, sweetie? They can talk sometimes. Some parrots never talk, but some parrots do. And that could definitely be a hassle as well. But all those reasons are why we recommend enjoy parrots because they are amazing. But maybe do it in places like Animal Kingdom. If you keep your homes parrot-free, you will probably thank us for that tip. But despite all the reasons they make such challenging pets, they're still being taken out of the wild illegally for the illegal pet trade. In fact, I want all of you to get your phones and cameras up and snap a photo of Lilo and Stitch here, our blue-throated macaws. Like I mentioned, they're the rarest species of macaw left in the wild today. This might surprise you, but it's estimated that there is less than 300 individuals left. That's it. But it's not all bad news. We're working on a conservation program where we are breeding blue-throated macaws. And their offspring are going to be released out into the wild so that we can conserve sites of skies filled with macaws. Would any of you like to see a sky full of macaws today here at Disney? You would? Okay, get your phones and cameras up and point it towards the Tree of Life because here comes one right now. only thing cooler than watching all these birds fly in, hi guys, is when we get to watch them head off to their next adventure. So I recommend everyone scoot on in and get in this path between myself and Discovery Trading Company. Right here is going to be their path as they head home, and you are not going to want to miss it. These birds are going to fly inches over your heads. It's going to be so cool. Try your best not to duck. If you have slow motion feature on your phone or camera, I would turn that on because these birds are getting ready to show off what they do best, and that is when they take flight.